what's your name?
My name is Như Ý.
How old are you?
Ờ, mấy tuổi?
How old are you?
Um,
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Where do you live?
I live in Hỗ Trợ Village.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay. Do you wear a uniform at school?
Yes,
Do you like your uniform?
yes.
Why or why not?
Because it's a relaxing.
Hmm? What do you wear to a party?
I wearing a dress and also
What are you wearing now?
I wearing white pajama.
Mhm.
And
Okay. What is your favorite shop?
my favorite shop is supermarket.
How do you often go shopping?
I use oh, um I usually go shopping twice a week.
What do you usually buy?
I usually buy drink.
Who do you go shopping with?
I go shopping with my mom.
Where do you usually go shopping? Where?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.
Yeah. Thank you.